In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT step by step. If it's your first time of watching my video on YouTube, make sure you don't jump any process because I'll be showing you how you can sign up on OpenAI and have your own account, how to generate text, how to summarize long content, and finally I'll be showing you practical how I generated the content and posted out on my social media account. My name is Gosui Ezogo, and in this channel I teach you how you can become more digitally productive and make money online. If you find my content very helpful in the process of watching this video, don't forget to like, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, the first step you need to take is to sign up on OpenAI. So you go to your Google and you search openai.com. So here it is, OpenAI. So because OpenAI, ChatGPT is owned by OpenAI. So you are going to go to this place, learn about ChatGPT. So you click on it. Click on learn about ChatGPT. So once you click on that learn ChatGPT, it's going to show you here where you are going to log in or sign up. So currently I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, all you just need to do is to click on sign up and you wait. You put in your email and click on continue. They will ask you for your phone number to confirm and they'll send you a code and instantly you are logged in. So, but right now I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So right now I've logged in on ChatGPT. Alright, so the first thing we'll be doing with ChatGPT is to ask it a question. So right here you click on the send. So that's where you create a command and you ask what is social media marketing. So you can ask it simple questions to complex ones. So what is social media marketing? As you can see, it's refusing to answer. So whenever you are doing this and your ChatGPT is refusing to answer you, something went wrong, what you should do is to just refresh it. Okay, so I'm going to refresh it. Now I've logged in. So let's create our command. So here, what is social media marketing? So that's the first question I want ChatGPT to answer. So you can see immediately ChatGPT has answered just in less than 60 seconds. Just less than 10 seconds. So have your social media marketing is the practice. So this is ChatGPT. This is the way it looks. So right now, let me show you other interface of ChatGPT so that you know about it. So right here we have social media marketing. If I want to create this question, like say what is social media marketing and types of social media marketing, all I need to do is to click right here and I will edit it. Okay, so that's the first one. Then right here, this is where you create a new chat. Okay, so this is where you log out if you want to log out, but if you have it on your browser, there is no need of logging out. Okay, so that's the first thing. So if you want to upgrade to ChatGPT 4, you can upgrade it here. Another thing you can do with ChatGPT is to summarize a very long content. So here is a story that ChatGPT wrote. I'm going to ask it to summarize this. So you're going to paste the story right here. Alright. Once I've pasted the story, see on the ChatGPT, I'll just give a space, right? Or I'll give another space. I'll ask it summarize this content in such a way that anyone will understand. So right here, I'm summarizing it. Click here. So right here, it has summarized it. So as you can see, I say summarize this content. So it has already summarized the content. That's one of the things you can do with ChatGPT. You get a long content and you ask it to summarize it for you. Hey there, this is actually the first video I'm doing about ChatGPT on my channel. And this is the beginning of the series on how to use ChatGPT, become more productive, and also use it to make money online. If you don't want to miss out on other videos that are coming up, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. And if you have not liked this video, do well to like it. Finally, let's use ChatGPT to create a Twitter trend. All right. So right here, I'm going to turn my phone. Okay. So this is my phone. Let me show you guys. When you click on this place, okay, we're going to see all the works you've done. So you can see all the works I've done with ChatGPT, Crypto Masterclass. These are the things I've gotten with ChatGPT. Can use it to even create course outlines and all that. So these are everything you've done. So anyone you want to delete, you can actually delete it from here. So right now, I want to create a Twitter trend. So I'll say, right, this is a Twitter trend. I'm asking ChatGPT on 3 things rich people buy on the internet. So let's see ChatGPT answer. So you can see it here. Now it has given me an answer. So, but this was not the actual thing I wanted it to answer. So I'm going to ask it the question. So I'll click on this point here. All right. I'm going to ask it, buy on the internet to grow their business. Okay. All right. So I have edited it the way I want it, and I'm going to click on save and submit. So right here, you can see this point here. This point is showing you that I asked the first question, which is write a trend on 3 things rich people buy on internet, and I stopped. That is the first answer. So I wrote it, so you can see it is 2/2. So this is the second one here that it has already answered. So you see it right here. Online programs, digital marketing tools, virtual assistant, and freelancers. So I can copy these things and use it and go and create a trend and post on my Twitter. So, okay. So this is actually how you can use ChatGPT to summarize, to generate question and answer it and create social media content. Hey there, I know you got value from this video. All right. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. This is the part 1 of the series I'll be doing on ChatGPT. There are so much more you can do with ChatGPT. And if you use WhatsApp, you would like to learn how to set ChatGPT in your WhatsApp for your audience. All right, ChatGPT can reply your messages. I created a very simple course and it's selling just for 1,000 naira. I can click on the link in the description of the video to get that course on WhatsApp ChatGPT automation. Okay, guys. Until then, see you next time. Bye-bye.